What's going on, everybody? This is MrSettin007 working on the window felt on my passenger side. I mentioned earlier in another video. So as you can see, my felt is tore up from the floor up. Totally messed up. I have a new felt here. So what I'm doing is actually using a toothbrush to clean it first, because this felt has been waiting around for a couple of years for me to fix it on. So use a toothbrush to clean it. Also, I'm gonna pull this out. You gotta take like a pliers or something to pull this out. As you can see, my I need like a pliers because this is all chipped up. And to put it back in, there's some channels in here. You see the channel? So you have to slip it in like a 45-degree angle, all of them. So I'm turning it about 45 degrees to pull it out. Alright, so that worked. I knew all this time. So mine, there's a channel here, there's 4 channels. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. I sound like that owl on TV from back in the days. You can see all the way in there. Huh? Look at that. You see everything. The window. So, all right. So, usually you can use a pick sometimes to pull it. A pick from behind. All right. So I'm gonna clean the new one with the toothbrush. So give me a moment. All right, I'm back. So I'll try and leave a link in the description. That's the behind. You look at the front. It's nice and cleaned. So what I'm gonna do, the felt is gonna face inside, right? And this is the outside. You're gonna see the corners in here, and it's gonna butt up against this, just like the one in the back. You see that corner? So this is gonna do the same thing. Like I said, we're gonna go in 45-degree angle. Get inside these channels first. You see how I put that in the channel right there? That's gonna go in the channel, right? Get them all in the channel. Push that in the channel. There's 4 channels. You wanna make sure this is lined up properly, because once you get it in there, you can't move it back and forth. All right, so that's going in the channel there. Where's that channel? Right there. This is the, let me get this all in, just to set it up properly, so it'll go in. So this is gonna go in this channel right here. You can see that. I'm gonna push it in this way. Push it down a little bit. This one is also gonna go in the channel. And I have to make sure that this is inside, so I'm gonna put this, see if I can get this channel in first. So I can push this up more. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to push this and kind of smash it in there so it stays flush. So there's enough room for the whole thing to go in. So that's going to, let me do this here. I'm going to pull it out some and turn it so it can go in that channel. So I push that down. Got to make sure this one is in that channel here. So I push that way. Alright, like I said, about a 45-degree angle. See how I bent it and it's not coming out? That means it's in the channel. So when you go up and down and you bend it towards the door, towards inside the vehicle, and you don't see the channel, that means you're in the channel. So that's a good thing. That 45-degree angle in the channel. Right there. So this one is not in the channel because you see it, right? So I gotta pull it up a little bit and push it in. There you go. Now it's in the channel. Alright. That's in the channel. This is all in the channel. I just heard something come out the channel. This same one here. So you know why? Because this one is bowing. This side is in and it's putting pressure here. So this is bowing up. And these other ones are in the channel. So right now I have everything in the channel. Alright, see that? Everything is in the channel. So now I'm going to push down and make sure that I get it in. Because once you get it in, here we go. I'm using my thumb, putting pressure on my thumb 45-degree angle, somewhat. Well, right now it's maybe about not 45-degree angle, but maybe 20 degrees, because I have it in the channel. So I'm just pushing up. You heard that? This one clipped in, so that one is in the channel already. And you see how that is right perfect in the corner. So you use this technique. Make sure you like and share on the forums. See, it's in the channel. Nothing in there. See it in the channel. You see the bottom of the channel, but the top you don't see because it's hooked in. Alright, so you want to make sure all of these is hooked in, and then slowly but surely you're going to incrementally push as you move forward. Push it. You want to make sure it's in the channel. There you go. Alright, and I'm going to work on it slowly but surely. Get it in the channel. So I just felt that one push. See that? See how flush this is compared to that? So slowly but surely. There we go. That perfect. Popped right in. So once one starts popping in, you can start getting the rest of them to pop in. I don't know why I didn't do this years ago, because I've had this for years now. Literally. All the water has been going in my door, messing it up, rotting it from the inside out. So see how that's just going down slowly. So you start, see how flush that is? See that? That's what you look for. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. It's very informative for us E28. Maybe if you got an E30, same process. And here we go. That's pretty good. That looks good. Alright, Settin007, like and subscribe. Share this for our E28 brothers and sisters. You see that? That's the old one, but it's still good. This one was ratchet. Started rotting out the bottom of my door. That's my fault. You know, from the water getting inside. So, this is good. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the vehicle and put up the window. Let's see how it looks. All right. Uh-oh. So now it looks brand new. Look at that. Professional job. All the way to the corner. Perfect seating. Alright. Looks good, looks good. No more water inside. Like and subscribe, people. Like and subscribe. You know, you want to join or be a fan, you can, I think I have some stickers that you can purchase to support the channel. I'm not monetized yet, but I'm trying to get there. I've been on YouTube for quite some time. I don't know, 15 years or so or more. So hopefully I can get, I'm trying to, you know, add more videos as I continue to do better. So like and subscribe. This is the original one. I believe this is the original from the manufacturer. See, all the way to the back. Hopefully this one stays fine. It's been fine all these years, but you know, the driver's side is a door and a window that gets used all the time, so you can expect it to you know, mess up. Also, what I did earlier, if you haven't seen that video, I blacked out this trim here, so that trim is looking pretty good right now, so I'm happy about that. Also, one of the other things I did for the E28 is I put a wing, put a little wing in the back. This is all blacked out. I put a wing in the back, so I'm happy about that. And it looks pretty good. Like it. I blacked out all the trim, so that looks good. And then I put a wing. did quite a few things today. Also, yeah, I said I blacked out from this all the way up and around and back down on the other side. So, you know, let me know what you think about the wing. It's just a little something. So, also what I did was I blacked out I left this reverse light on, put LEDs, and I blacked out some of the trim here. I'm probably gonna maybe do a film for the actual lights itself. I got my LED in there, so that's pretty bright, so that's good. So let me know what you think, guys. Like I said, you can support the channel with some stickers, purchase some stickers. You can see them there. Appreciate it. But now you know how to put the felt for this. So actually, does this go down? I think I got to put the corners in here. So maybe I'll put these down. So yeah, that goes down inside. All right, so that goes inside. So I'm gonna pushing this inside. Alright, so that kind of butts up in here to probably put a nice seal for the window. So that's probably why this is sticking out here. I gotta put in that corner. There we go. Alright. There we go. So I push that in. And now that is sealed. Alright, like and subscribe, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me get your comments, any suggestions. You know, I do interact with my audience. So, alright, so there we go. That's what it was. I needed to push there's a lip in here that goes in. So now that looks uniformed. So that's good. Beautiful. There we go. Now that's looking more factory. So now this is perfect here. Look at that. Nice. Alright, so like I said, guys, like and subscribe. I appreciate the support on the channel. You can purchase some stickers. You just click the link, I believe. Wow, that's great. Take care. God bless.